Hey, welcome back to hashtag straight poop, guys. You're a pooper, I'm a pooper. Hey, we're doing some stuffed peppers, red bell peppers, and probably gonna do about 4 of them because I got 4 red bell peppers. And we're filling them with very nice meat that you'll find out when we get to the kitchen. So join us. And again, welcome to hashtag straight poop. Get in the kitchen, let's go. Yeah, we're making one of my mom's favorites, and my wife does a pretty damn good job making these two. We're doing stuffed peppers. We're using a pound of ground elk right here, okay? Very lean, very flavorful. What I have in here is 2/3 cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. I've got 3 tablespoons of dried minced onion. I've got some minced onion, okay? And I've got some granulated garlic, all right? A grind of pepper and a pinch of salt. That's it. Now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna add some liquid. Okay. That's a combination of beef broth, cannabis oil. Hardly using any fillers here, okay? And what do you do with this? Well, you mix this, and then I've got brown rice that's also going in here. Now the mixture, okay, the mixture is sort of the same as if you were to make like stuffed cabbage or rolled cabbage. Okay, get all that incorporated. And of course I'm using my hands because I don't know of any tool that you can use to do as good a job as this. You don't want to overwork it either, okay? Here's the brown rice. Just lightly work that in, okay? I'm using instant brown rice, and you'll see why. Because this has got to cook an hour at 375 degrees. So we're just mixing that up, getting all that incorporated. And like I said, the recipe here, and all our recipes, or most of them, you will find in the companion piece e-cookbook we give away to all you viewers, and it's up at the comments section. Okay, great. Now it's incorporated. Now let me show you something here. Let's get that off. With the, get that off to the side. With the peppers. I like red peppers. Some people like green. I like red. Just a little bit sweeter. Now, this is gonna make some liquid, of course. Okay? And because of that, you have to put a hole in each pepper at the bottom so it drains in with the sauce. Now the sauce, that's very important too. Let's get that off. The sauce here is 28 ounce crushed tomatoes. There's 3 tablespoons of vinegar, your choice, okay? There's 3 tablespoons of just regular sugar. There's grinds of pepper. There's 3 tablespoons of dried minced onion. There's also, I mentioned the vinegar. There's also a pinch of salt, grind of pepper, and some granulated garlic. Now what I want to do here is I just want to line that. The juice from the meat will go through the pepper, okay, into the juice. And then we're going to top it with more sauce, okay? So let's do this. Let's get a glove on here. because I don't want to deal with the meat. And you don't want to, I don't want to deal with the meat raw in my hand. So you just want to grab that, okay? Don't overstuff it. That looks pretty damn good. Okay, great. So I got a pound here, I got 4 peppers. My aim here is to get 4 peppers out of 1 pound of meat, okay? And you could double and triple that if you like. I mean, if you got a big crowd of people, of course. Just triple, do the math. Okay, you know what? I'll take a little bit more out of that. And take a little bit more out of that. Okay. Push that down, push that down. And the rest. Okay. Looks pretty good. I think I overflowed those, but I will soon correct it. All right, man. Cool. Here we go. And all 4 of these guys do have holes like I showed you. Okay, here's the sauce. Just gonna cover. This sauce is delicious. In an hour, it'll cook down. And you want to use the best kind of tomatoes you can get. Fresh won't work here, unless you make your own sauce or gravy out of it. And if you want to do that, man, that's terrific. But in this case, if you use a quality brand of tomatoes, or you know what, you could also use San Marzano and crush them in your hands. If you want to do that, that's cool. But the sweet and sour is the thing, okay? Because I don't know if this is a Hungarian dish or I know it's an Eastern European dish. A lot of my recipes come from that because that's my family. All right, so that's what I'm used to. That's what I've cooked. That's what I want to share with you guys. Okay, so poopers, this is going into a 375 degree preheated oven, all right? It's been preheated because I had to do prep work here, and for about an hour. Let me get those caps back on, because you know why? Nothing is more delicious. I don't even know if they fit, if this one goes here. Looks like it does. Okay, there's nothing more delicious than one of these. Okay, so why throw it out? You know what I've also done? I've taken these and cut around the top and cut through these little ribs and made kebabs out of them. I don't throw anything out, neither should you guys. Food's too damn expensive. So that's about it, dudes. I'm putting it in the oven for an hour, 375 degrees. We'll be back in a second by the magic of TV. Hang loose, poopers. We'll be right back. And an hour and 5 minutes later, we have our stuffed peppers. I took one out of here, and one's on the plate. With a little bit of sauce from the bottom of the pan, which is sweet and sour. So try the recipe. Grab our free cookbook. Go up to the comment section and click that link. This recipe is in there, along with 125 or 124 other recipes. Barbecue cannabis. So anyway, thanks for joining us again here on #StraightPoop. My dogs love having you here, okay? So, as we say, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Hang loose. My puppies say goodbye.